Well, hi everyone, this is my review of the Stedi sponge sandpaper set, and let me tell you right from the start, I think this is great. I'm a big fan of the Stedi products. I've done quite a few reviews of theirs, their precision tweezers, the new little knife. I really like the crafting knife, but I hadn't tried the sandpaper set before, the sponge sandpaper set, and so I've been playing around with it over the last couple of weeks. Now, to clear up a few things, there are a number of variations you can get in here. This particular set is 3 different grittiness. It's 600 to 800. I've got a 1000 to 1200, and I've got this one which is 400 to 600. Now, the smaller the number it's more grittier, and so the 400 is the grittiest, and the 1200 is the kind of the smoothest polisher upper at the end. Now, also slightly confusing when they say 400 to 600. Oh, you get 10 sheets, 10 little sheets in each pack, so you get 30 overall. You can get larger packs, and you can also get different grades in just this 30 pack. So just have a read of the fine print when you're ordering your first lot. Now, the other confusing thing is when it says 400 to 600, you possibly are going to think, well, one side's going to be 400 and the other side's going to be 600. That is not correct. The sanding is only on one side of this, and the backing is the sponge part. The sanding will drop, so it will start out as 400 grit, and then after you've been using it a while, it will drop to 600 grit. So that is the range that this will do. Now, the neat thing about this is that you can wash them out in water. You can actually use them underwater or with water if you're wanting to do that. But after they've starting to drop, you can actually wash them in water and use an old toothbrush, and it will bring them back to, I believe, 80% of their effectiveness that they were at the start. Now, I use a lot of different types of sanding sticks in my work. These are really, really flexible, and I guess that's what you're going to focus on if you're doing a lot of curved things, cars, maybe wooden spars on a ship model, etc. As you can see, it wraps right around there, and it's a really good thing. So this is the flexibility of the sponge backing on that. As I say, you can use it with wet or dry, and I think it's great. The color coded as well, so this one is purple, and so once you know the colors, you can just arrange them. But it also says there on the back 400 to 600, so you can always be grabbing the right one. So it's a great little product. I've been playing around with it. I'm going to, as I say, I use a range of different sanding tools and polishing tools, but these look really good. So give them a go.